fall into you.
Hi everyone, today we will unbox Huawei Nova 7 5G mobile. The features it has is it has a 256 GB ROM, 8 GB of RAM, which is really good, and the color is purple, and it is a dual SIM mobile. Let's open it.
Wow, it looks really nice.
Okay, I think
Yeah. Oh, here it is.
Oh, I think that is yeah.
Per
Oh, it's really like
Whoa,
purple.
that is.
I love the cameras. Oh no, no, no,
Fine,
no,
fine,
no,
fine, fine.
Okay. Okay, and then let's see what all they have given. So this is the SIM,
Yes.
the SIM card removal. I'm hoping they would give a phone cover. Oh yes, they did. That is really, really cool. So this is the case
No.
for the mobile.
No.
Okay, this is perfect. This is the best thing about Huawei mobiles, that they always give a cover to the mobile. Well, this is the
And then
charger.
it's like your choice if you want to change it and make
Yeah.
it colorful.
There's a charger. They're really nice headphones. I love that they
And
like
the battery
rubber-based
cable.
headphones. These are really comfortable headphones.
Battery.
And then there is another USB cable, I suppose.
Cool. Let's see what's in here. This side is not English right now.
Well, I think this is for the earphones,
symbol. Okay,
I
we don't need
suppose,
to read
because of the
this.
sleek design. I don't think they have given a earphone section, so they've given it as a separate device. So if you have to plug in your earphones, you basically have to use this device. So yeah, that's it.
See?
Thank you so much for watching.
And this
Please do
is a
comment
phone.
if you
It's
want to
very
know
beautiful.
anything about the specifications. I'll just run through the mobile a little bit to get started. United States. The touch is really nice. It's quite comfortable, by the way. I'll skip it for now. I'll skip this as well. I'll skip this. For the time being, I'll just put this password. Okay, so they have some kind of gestures.
What's about your favorite thing about this phone?
Well, I
love the color
size,
and the
yeah.
camera.
I just love the camera. Yeah, let's see. Oh,
Whoa!
okay. It also has camera modes. It has a location. No, I do not want to tag anything. Okay, so this is the clarity of the phone. Let's try to take a picture. Okay.
This is that.
Swipe up to see the related information. So if you just do this, there'll be a related information.
see this.
Okay, you can see that
Very
it is
clear to
very
read.
clear, yeah. And also like it has captured the light and the shade and everything. So yeah,
Yes.
pretty much it.
And this
Okay.
is yes.
A lot of
Huawei
options.
Nova
As you can see, it
seven.
has like this complete whole screen, doesn't have buttons in here. So yeah, this is the mobile.
Nice.
Yes.
And this unboxing video. Thank you. Goodbye.